Space heating. How and why do we heat buildings, and for what time of year? Within the UK and the Northern Hemisphere, winter is a heating period, which lasts for around 6 to 7 months from October through to March. Traditionally, we would design a heating system in the UK for an external temperature of -5 degrees Celsius. The further north, the lower that design temperature, and the further south, slightly higher. Internal room temperatures are designed for an average of around about 20 degrees C, depending on the space. The bedrooms of elderly care homes, for example, are designed for around 22 to 24 degrees C, and somewhere like a factory may be designed for around 16 to 18 degrees C. So what are we trying to do? We're trying to create a comfortable environment for the occupants who either live or work in the building. The heat itself can be provided by a number of different means, such as radiator systems, fan heaters, heat pump systems, fan coil systems, underfloor systems, and warm air ducted systems. So there are many different types of systems that can be applied to different kinds of building. The energy source for these systems can come from piped natural gas in the streets, local bottle gas in more remote parts of the country, coal occasionally, oil, and more recently we've been using biofuels and electricity as a main energy source. So now we know the basics of space heating, from the external and internal temperatures of different spaces, the heating systems used and how they heat the space, as well as the various energy sources that power those systems. Thank you for watching this BIMTech Bitesize lesson. This video is made using material from our expansive and detailed in-house training program here at BIMTech Engineering. If you'd like to learn more, subscribe to the BIMTech Engineering YouTube channel and hit the bell to be notified when episodes are released every few weeks. Class dismissed, and we'll see you next time.